If you're working in extreme conditions or love outdoor adventures, you know how critical it is to have a reliable phone that can keep up. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Ulefone Armor 29 Pro Thermal. The Ulefone Armor 29 Pro Thermal caught my eye right away. Priced at $679.99, this rugged phone boasts an impressive 21,200 mAh battery and a dual AMOLED display. If you want a phone that can handle anything while providing top-notch thermal imaging, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Armor 29 Pro features a thermal camera with a resolution of 640 by 512, which means you can identify heat signatures from a distance of 30 feet. That's crucial for detecting heat leaks in buildings or ensuring safety during outdoor adventures. With the 120W flash charging, you can get a quick boost, charging 20% in just 10 minutes, so you won't be left in a lurch. Plus, it's built to withstand drops and is waterproof, meeting IP68, IP69K standards, so you can trust it in extreme environments. As for storage, it offers a staggering 512 gigabytes, expandable up to 2 terabytes to keep all your important files and images. Now, some people complained about the weight. At 688G, it's heavier than typical smartphones. Here's the thing though, the ruggedness and battery life might make that weight worthwhile, especially if you're in a job that requires durability. This is perfect for you if you're in construction, emergency services, or love extreme sports. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight phone for casual everyday use. For the price, it packs a lot of value, especially for heavy-duty users. Now, if the weight of the Armor 29 Pro bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, the Ulefone Armor 27T Pro. Priced at $458.99, this rugged phone, while not as powerful as the Armor 29, offers a solid balance of features for the price. If you're looking for a reliable device with good thermal imaging capabilities, this one's worth checking out. This phone includes a FLIR Lepton thermal micro camera that can detect heat signatures even in the darkest conditions. This means you can find leaks or overheating equipment without needing an extra tool. It has a 10,600 mAh battery, which means you won't have to worry about running out of power on long days. The 6.78-inch FHD Plus screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, making it highly resistant to scratches and drops, which is essential if you're working in tough environments. With 24 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, it can handle multiple heavy apps smoothly, which is perfect for those who need to multitask. However, some users mentioned that the camera quality, while decent, isn't as impressive as some competitors. But honestly, for its rugged nature and thermal capabilities, it still serves its purpose well. This is perfect for you if you need a workhorse phone for outdoor activities or construction. Skip this one if you're looking for a camera-centric phone for photography. For the features offered, it's a great value considering the ruggedness. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a compact design. Product number 3, Cat S62 Pro. The Cat S62 Pro is another excellent rugged smartphone priced at $649.99. What stood out to me is its FLIR thermal imager that enhances temperature monitoring. If you want a phone that's solidly built and offers great thermal functionality, this is worth a serious look. The S62 Pro is optimized for North American carriers, making it a reliable choice for everyday use while still being rugged enough for industrial jobs. It can withstand drops of up to 6 feet and has a waterproof rating, ensuring durability. The thermal imaging helps you locate issues quickly, whether you're inspecting HVAC systems or just checking your home for heat leaks. Plus, it boasts a battery that lasts up to 2 days, so you won't be scrambling for a charger. Now, some users commented on its relatively small screen at 5.7 inches, which might feel cramped if you're used to larger displays. Here's the thing though, that compact size can actually make it easier to carry around, especially in tight workspaces. This is perfect for you if you need a tough phone for work and want reliable thermal functionality.
Skip this one if you prefer larger screens for media consumption. Given its features and rugged design, it offers good value for the price. Now, if you're looking for a compact yet powerful option, the next phone might just be what you need.
Product number 4. Ulefone Armor Mini 20T Pro. The Ulefone Armor Mini 20T Pro is priced at $469.99, and it's designed to be lightweight and compact. What caught my eye is its small size but powerful features. If you want a rugged phone that's easy to carry but still gets the job done, this one's worth a serious look. This phone features a FLIR thermal micro camera, which makes it super handy for quickly detecting heat issues. The compact design is perfect for one-handed operation, and its 6200 mAh battery ensures you have enough power for extended use. It also has a 50 megapixel main camera, so it can still take decent photos on your adventures. The Armor Mini is waterproof and meets high durability standards, so it's reliable in tough situations. However, some users found the screen size, 4.7 inches, a bit limiting for media or intensive tasks. But honestly, if portability is a priority for you, this compact design could be a big win. This is perfect for you if you need a rugged phone that's easy to carry in your pocket. Skip this one if you're looking for a large display for gaming or movies. Considering its durability and thermal features, it provides great value for a compact phone. Now, if you want something that combines power and ruggedness, let's take a look at the last option on this list. Product number 5. Ulefone Armor 27T. We have the Ulefone Armor 27T, priced at $399.99. This is a great entry-level rugged phone that still offers impressive features. If you're looking for a solid rugged phone without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. The Armor 27T comes with a built-in FLIR thermal camera, which can detect heat signatures effectively, making it a handy tool for various applications. It has a strong 10,600 mAh battery to keep you powered throughout your day, and the 6.78-inch FHD Plus display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, ensuring durability. With 24 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, it handles multitasking with ease, perfect for users who need to switch between apps frequently. Some users have mentioned that it doesn't perform as well in low light conditions compared to other models, which could be a drawback for some. But here's the thing, if you primarily use it for work and need ruggedness over camera quality, this might not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable rugged phone for daily use. Skip this one if you're a photography enthusiast needing top-notch camera performance. For the price, it's an excellent value considering the features it offers. So there you have it, 5 rugged phones with thermal cameras that cater to different needs and budgets. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Ulefone Armor 29 Pro because of its unbeatable battery life and impressive thermal capabilities. Avoid the Cat S62 Pro if you want a larger display, as that could be a deal breaker for some. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.